What is going on, guys? Welcome to your 10th XHTML tutorial, and in this tutorial what I'm going to be talking about is how to resize an image, because sometimes you just have images on your website that are just either they're probably way too big or maybe they're way too long width-wise. So sometimes we need to learn how to resize an image so they fit better on our website. So what I did before this tutorial is I went ahead and I took a huge image of this video game right here, Madden. What year is it? Madden 10. And I threw in my directory. So I didn't want to show you guys me doing that because it would just waste time. But this image is way larger than we need for our website. So we need to figure out a way to resize it and put it on our website. So first and foremost, what we want to do is actually get it on our website before we start shrinking stuff. So let's go ahead, and we know how to do that. Image. Let's go ahead and put our ending tag right now. And for the source, the name is madden1.jpg. So let's go ahead and save this and see how it looks. Oh mama, this is like the biggest image ever. No one's ever going to be able to tell what that is. That's like a billboard size image right there. So we want to shrink it so it's like only 150 pixels tall. So in order to shrink that image, here's what we need to do. Not only does the image parameter, or excuse me, the image tag take an attribute called source, but it also takes another attribute called height, and we can set this equal to whatever number of pixels we want. I want my image to be 150 pixels tall, so for height, set it equal to 150. Now go ahead and save this. What the heck? Save this and refresh your screen. Gotta get all my S's in order and refresh it and see what we get. Yeah, that's a whole lot better than that big mumbo jumbo billboard poster we had on there earlier. So now we have a beautiful, small, 150 pixel tall Madden 10 image. So, if you're making a site like eBay or something, that might come in handy. So before I just let you guys go, I want to talk to you guys about a couple things. This is going to be useful information later on. Whenever you resize an image this way, it doesn't, make your, you might be thinking this, alright, I'll make all my images smaller, and that way my web page will load faster because the file size will be smaller. It doesn't work like that. What your browser is doing is it's loading that huge big image, downloading however many bits that is, and then it's shrinking it. So you're not loading a small image, you're loading the huge image, and you're just making it look smaller. So in that sense, your web page is not going to speed up at all. It has to download that huge image no matter what. So it would be better if you wanted your web page to load faster if you went ahead into a program like Photoshop or something and actually took this image and shrunk it so the image size was smaller itself, and then you just posted that on your website. So in that way, that's what you should do. You shouldn't always take huge images and just post them and resize them down like I showed you right here. What you should do, the preferred way, is go into an image editing program and make it a smaller file and then put it on your website. So that's a lot easier way. It saves your browser from doing any extra work. So you're saying, alright Bucky, why the heck would you even teach me that if that's the preferred way to do so? Well, that way's helpful when you're going to be making an image, like maybe you're making a website with a logo. It's useful when you add images to the website. But what if you had a website like Amazon.com or eBay or even Facebook where you allowed users to upload images of any size and you shrunk them down to what you wanted them to be? Well, I think I just answered my own question. This is only useful whenever you're going to have a website like eBay where you can say, alright, upload any size image you want and I'm going to shrink them so they all fit nice and neat. That is when you would want to use something like that. But trust me, making websites like eBay and Amazon are a couple tutorials away from now. So anyways, that is the basics of resizing an image, when you should do it and when you shouldn't do it, and why it doesn't save you any loading time to do it this way. So anyways, thank you guys for watching, and the next tutorial will probably be talking a little more about images, maybe finishing them up. So anyways, practice adding some images to your website, and let me know how it goes. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later.